In this video, I will show how to create a spatial wall parametric using 3dsmax. We're beginning with a box creating. So now we are creating a panel in Spatial. Maybe go to perspective view. Move further click. Make it thinner. So it will become a panel of a spatial. Now back to the top view. We need a guideline for the wall. To do that, by create a line, I am using smooth, so I can create it in a curve very smoothly. And more parametric. After I get my following path line, I go to tool. First, I need to select box we created before, tool, align and spacing tool. You pick path. Click on a path in here. And now you can see it appear in the line here. Maybe I make it like space 40. I can click in follow. So in not follow, it will be in this rectangle curve. Like click in follow, it will be inside. It follow the path with the angle of this. And I click in that and apply it. Now I can delete my box before to easier recognize. See, now I have a very curved wall. Now maybe I will get into a hole in the spatial wall, because in real life so we had a picture inside, or we cut for the door. So okay, we create a new line. We going here, closing part. No, maybe I create it in front view, more easier. Yes. Now I choose that. So if I leave, choose. I'm make sure this one going to our copying wall before. And we will create another one by hold Control and drag. Copy. Create another one in here. So in perspective view, I can see my one going through of the wall. create one more in here. Okay, let's swing it in different direction and smaller. When it's going through of the wall, it's okay. So we'll cut through that. Now we need to convert our spatial wall. Go to our perspective view. Right click in that. Convert to editable poly. Under that, in edit geometry, you can see the attach here. So open attach. So the line here is the line we create for the cutting hole. So all the thing have the box. You can see, check in here. So have the box. We align it. See, attach it. Now it's all attached together. Go and now go to compound object, Pro Poly, and start picking the one we're cutting through, which is the one we created before. Like cutting that, we're cutting through the curving wall. So you get a hole in here. But how about if we want to make our spatial wall like more curvy? Then go to Pro Boolean. So for modify, we modify it. We create FFD, make it 4x4. You see it's like creating box in here. So under that, we capture point. Now we in the moving, we can click the point here and drag it. So our word you can see in here is going more curvy, or maybe this one, make it lower or lower. Okay. Let's go up and down. We more curvy go out. After that, you can see we have a parametric spatial wall. Thank you to listening.